Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup React app builds with GitHub, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating your React app if you haven't already. Open your terminal and navigate to your project folder. Run the command npm run build to generate a production-ready build of your app. Once the build process is complete, locate the build folder in your project directory. Next, initialize a Git repository if you haven't done so already. Use the command git init to create a new Git repository. Now, add the build folder to your repository by running git add build /. Commit your changes with a descriptive message using git commit m add production build. If you have not yet created a remote repository on GitHub, go to GitHub and create a new repository. Copy the provided repository URL. Back in your terminal, link your local repository to your GitHub repository using git remote add origin your GitHub repo URL. Push your changes to GitHub using the command git push u origin main. If you encounter any errors, make sure to check your branch name. Once the push is successful, go to your GitHub repository in a web browser. You'll see your build folder uploaded and accessible. To keep your build safe, consider setting up automatic deployments. Use GitHub Actions to automate this process for every new build. Finally, remember to regularly commit and push your changes to keep your backup updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.